So I have not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, but 6 Google Home Minis and 1 Echo Dot. And so today, the newest member of the lineup is the Amazon Echo Dot with clock, Amazon's newest edition. So today I will be telling you the best tips and tricks you could do with the Echo Dot. Let's get started. First, the unboxing. Opening up the tape. Let's get this open. First up, we have the Echo Dot right at the top. Next, we have the manual with a quick start guide and other details. Underneath the cardboard, we have the power supply for the Echo Dot, and it's rather big compared to the Google Home's kind of small cable. Setting that aside, let's get this Echo unboxed. Removing the plastic from the Echo, it feels pretty much like this other Echo Dot, the previous one, and I do really like it. It has some heft to it and feels premium. Let's open up this power supply, taking off the tape. So it takes about 2 minutes to set up, and it's ready to go. With the display, you could do many things, such as ask the weather, and it will show up on the display, and the time is very nice to have, especially in the night. So the first trick is called guard mode.
Okay, I'll start guarding now.
And what it does is you could turn it on, and it will listen for noises such as glass breaks and others, and it will notify you to your phone. And yes, I did get the notification. Now you could go into the app and replay the noise as well as drop in, and it also works with fire alarms. It does the same exact thing. So the next trick is called drop in, and it lets you use it like an intercom to call any of the echoes in your home and talk to them.
Hello? How you doing?
I'm good.
Cool.
You can also type a message and it'll read it out loud like this.
Hello, please come downstairs for dinner.
And it's actually really helpful. Alexa, how old is Michael Jordan?
Michael Jordan is 56 years old. He was born on February 17, 1963.
How tall is he?
Michael Jordan is 6 feet 6 inches tall.
Just showed is if you want to talk without saying Alexa every time, you can just enable continued conversation, and you can ask it questions immediately without saying Alexa every time. So this next feature is the ability to connect things such as a computer, and it will play on the Echo and have better audio than your computer sometimes. The Google Home Mini does not have this, but instead has Bluetooth connections, which is pretty good as well. So this next feature is a big one and lets you program certain actions, such as making your own Jeopardy or singing happy birthday to a certain person, and it will have their name played by Alexa. So clicking on Jeopardy, we can see that you can edit the skill as well as delete it or fix it up, and you can let's go outside. So there's hundreds of these skills that you can choose from, and you can edit it, such as whose turn, which randomly chooses a person that you've put in, and others. Another big one is the routines section, and I use it almost every day for things such as good night. And when I say it, it reads out the weather as well as calendar info and others. Like, you can also program it to add actions such as turning off all the lights or lowering the thermostat or something like that. There's also many others like reporting traffic and even, let's see, so there's a big variety, and you can also make it read your email summary as well. Alexa, talk slower.
Okay, I will speak at this speed from now on.
Alexa, reset talking speed.
Okay. I
So
will speak
this
at my normal speed
let's
from now on.
tell it to talk slowly and reset it if you can't understand its speed. So this next tip is that if you can snooze an alarm with just tapping the top of it, and it snoozes it for I believe 5 minutes, and yeah, it's nice. So this next feature is the ability to ask your Alexa notifications, and it will show up as a yellow light, and you can just ask and it tells you.
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. A shipment has arrived.
So overall, the Echo Dot lineup is actually really nice, especially the all-new Echo Dot with clock, which lets you see the time at a glance without having to ask it every time. And overall, I would definitely recommend it, especially when it goes on sale, which it does a lot.